Well, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service or the oil indicator of an Astra K 2017 or 18 model. After changing the oil on the filter, you have to reset the timer on the dashboard. I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the commentary if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, I've done this before, so you'll see that it's now 100%, the oil surface indicator. First of all, turn the ignition or press the ignition on, or you can even start the car. When the car engine is running, go to the right side of the steering wheel and use the arrows to the left or to the right to find the info button. Press the OK button over here. Once you're there, scroll down to find this oil life, and this was before I reset it was 0%, and once you found this, press the OK button, keep pressing that, and you'll see that after a few seconds 0 becomes 100%, and that's how you reset the surface indicator of this Opel Astra 2017 K type. I hope this video helped you, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.